Hey, Ian from Tentworld in Toowoomba, here to talk to you about the Goal Zero Nomad 7 Plus V2. This is a serious bit of kit, especially if you're a hiker. It's like even just a normal everyday camper can use one of these. It's a little 7-watt solar panel, weighs about 360 grams. As you can see at full stretch there, it's only about 33 centimeters wide, 22 centimeters tall, so fits nicely on the back of a backpack, on the dash of a car, can charge up an iPad, iPhone, even little battery packs nowadays. It's especially good with the USB charger. Got its own little power adapter there so you can see how much charge is going in, as well as the fact that you actually have a kickstand on those. So when it's fully open, it sits out quite nicely, and with the low weight, it's especially good to be traveling around with. So no matter whether you're going downtown in a big city or in the middle of nowhere, it's like this here will certainly be the tool for your kit. Thank you.